Okay, so now we're going to draw a number line. And on this number line, we're going to plot these guys right here. 2 over the square root of 3 and negative 2 over the square root of 3. So let's do that. So we'll put negative 2 over the square root of 3 here, and how about 2 over the square root of 3 here. Then we want to mark where our test points we're going to use. We're going to always use 0 if we can. And then the question is how far over do I need to go? This is 1.15. Whoa, Nelly, I forgot to put the square root down here. I was about to say 2/3 is not 1.15. So this is approximately negative 1.15. So let's go over to negative 2 here. And then we'll go over to positive 2 on this side. Alright, so we want to take negative 2 and we want to plug that into the second derivative. And of course, all we're concerned about is if it's positive or negative. So let me rewrite the second derivative right here. So f double prime of x is equal to 3x squared minus 4. Okay, so all we're concerned about is if it's negative or positive. So if I take negative 2 and I plug it directly in, we get negative 2 squared is 4. 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 is greater than, well, I'd just say 12 minus 4 is a positive number. How's that? And so that's positive, so we know that this is going to be concave upward. Okay, from negative infinity to negative 2 over the square root of 3. Then we plug 0 in, and we get a negative number. So we know that that's going to be concave down. Then we take 2 and plug it in, and of course that's going to be positive also. Right, 2 squared, this would be the same thing as plugging negative 2 in. So that's going to be concave up. So now we got our concavity, so we can say concave up from negative infinity up to negative 2 over the square root of 3. Now we also have another one. We can say union or whatever, comma. Put a comma there. I've just put a union because we're joining both these sets together. And then this would be from 2 over the square root of 3 to infinity. Okay, so that's where it's concave up. And then concave down is from negative 2, right, over square root of 3, comma, 2 over square root of 3. Okay. I guess, I don't know, did we look at the graph yet? Let's take a look at the graph.